Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you some lenses that comes from TTTDEYE and I have like 4 pairs of it. Right now I'm wearing one of them and I'm really obsessed with these ones already. Like, just look at them. They look really natural and the color is light. My eyes are actually brown and it's really hard to find some lenses which are gonna make it more light, not dark, because sometimes I buy lenses and it makes my eyes look more dark than light. So it comes in a really pretty pink box like this. On the back of the box there is an instruction for those who had never worn lenses before. So if you're new to it, please read it carefully. When you open the box you can find a bunch of gifts. The lenses by itself are inside those little boxes. You can also find some glitters for makeup, I think. There is yellow, pink, gold, and blue ones. For each contact lens pair that you get, it's all individually packaged. So right eyes and left eyes packaged separately. There is also a hand mirror which is really cool and I'm gonna use it. Some tattoos for makeup, I think, and some card. Yes, so that's it. I took off left lens and you can see the difference of eye color, right? It's crazy and I love it. It's green or something. Okay, let's go. Woo! Is it real? Like, it's not photoshopped? Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it. This is so crazy. My god damn. It's like, really, the eye color changing a person. Definitely, Polarlights Yellow Green is my favorite one. Woo. So, right now you can definitely see I'm from Russia. Okay guys, so the last ones left. I'm kinda nervous. Wait, why is my room look so dark? It was light. Oh my god, the time going so fast. Okay, let's go. So guys, that's it. No more pairs of lenses. That was the last one and I hope you like this video and it was a little bit of useful. And what can I say about these lenses? They are really naturally look like, and I like that in a box you can find not only lenses, they give you a mirror, some stickers, and that's really pretty cool. And I really love it and it's comfortable. So